very few people know कि पहले आप फुटबॉल खेलते थे and you were a goalkeeper and then that sudden transition to cricket कैसे हुआ ये?
Before football, I've represented a lot of sports, and we didn't have a junior team, the football junior team in our college, and we had a senior team. So my goal was to just go and represent the senior team, senior football team. But support staff who came and they told me that you start taking cricket seriously. And I said no, I want to play football. Let's see. कभी-कभी कोई advices रहते हैं ना आपको अनजानों से मिल जाते, but वो actually it becomes your life.
At that time, like if you can imagine, there are so many even girls, they don't get that support if they want to take up the sport. I was lucky when I was playing badminton, I got the support, and you got that 1 year where you could prove yourself कि भाई है मेरे में. What do you think that so many parents they feel कि लड़की क्या ही कर लेगी? What do you want to tell to those people?
अभी वो thinking change हो रही है. Initially, that is a good thing, but it's more about parents are more protective about their girls, especially the girls.
And when you watched the match, what was that something that caught your attention that you really enjoyed during the whole match कि ये हुआ? That trophy तो वो तो first ही है. Secondly, was there any moment that you were like you truly enjoyed watching?
I've never seen Haridi running पूरा ground पे ऐसे. She just became a kid, and it was just so happy to see. Look at your seniors.
Hello there everyone, welcome to another episode of Bat Ball or Bate powered by Agami Realty. Today's episode is going to be incredibly powerful and incredibly inspiring because we are going to be talking about how women in blue, they have achieved great milestones, but the stories remain unheard, and that's why today you're going to hear someone's story, someone's journey that you would never want to miss. So today I have with me Saima Thakur. She has played for our country and she has also been a Mumbai captain as well as she is playing for Mumbai, and she's a very talented cricketer, and I'm so happy that you're here on my platform.
Thank you so much.
So my very first question to you is, very few people know कि पहले आप फुटबॉल खेलते थे and you were a goalkeeper and then that sudden transition to cricket कैसे हुआ ये?
Before football, I've represented a lot of sports, and we didn't have a junior team, the football junior team in our college, and we had a senior team. So my goal was to just go and represent the senior team, senior football team. But and in that year, we got cricket introduced in the college, and they picked few girls because they didn't have enough girls to make a 15 squad. So they picked girls from football, volleyball, and different sports. And we became a team of 50. And there was one of the girl who just came, one of the support staff who came, and they told me that you start taking cricket seriously. And I said, no, I want to play football. Let's see. कभी-कभी कोई advices रहते हैं ना आपको अनजानों से मिल जाते, but वो actually it becomes your life. And then I was playing football with my heart, and I wanted to be a goalkeeper, but we didn't have a place. We had a national goalkeeper in the team. So they asked me if you want to play in the 11, become a striker. I was like, okay, fine. So I was a center forward. And then that is how initially my fitness started improving, and it was quite easy for me when I came to cricket. Yes, I had a good ball judgment. It was more about just a different sport. It has every sport has its own way of tactics, strategy, and everything. But that is how it. And I used to play with my cousins, my real brother, and it was quite easy, honestly, to get into cricket. And I had 2 trials at the same day. In the morning, I had football trials, and after an hour, I had the cricket trials at Shivaji Park. And I said that, okay, I took a Churchgate train because the trials were at Churchgate, and Dadar, I got down at Dadar, taking a Churchgate train, and I went for cricket trials. I have no idea why. And that is how my journey started. And those matches were the selection games. I didn't even know that it was a selection game. And after a month, one of the girls just calls me and she's like, congratulations. And I was like, what happened? Like, you're in the probables for under 19 Mumbai team. So just go to practice and just attend the camp.
Right.
And I said, okay, let's see. I'll see about that. But then I went for the camp. I didn't know at that time that it's such a big thing I was a part of the under 19 Mumbai Probables. So that is how it started, and we're here now.
I think वो आपके डेस्टिनी में लिखा था कि क्रिकेट ही है, बट व्हेन slowly आप आगे बढ़ते रहे एंड क्रिकेट, बिकॉज फॉर अ स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन दैट स्पोर्ट ना वो दिल है, उनका दिल दिमाग सब वो स्पोर्ट है. व्हेन क्रिकेट became that big part of your life, how was that like then?
I would say that most of my journey has been alone. I mean, घर से उन्हें लगता था कि बस एक शौक पूरा कर रही है लड़की, जब हो जाएगा तब आ जाएगी, तब पूछ लेगी कि क्या करूं मैं एग्जैक्टली, बिकॉज इन योर इनिशियल ईयर्स यू डोंट नो व्हाट टू डू एट टाइम्स, कि मुझे क्या करना है, व्हाट माय करियर वुड बी इन स्टडीज और इन एनीथिंग. So it was just like that. I used to practice for almost 7 hours, 8 hours, and I used to come home, and mom is like, okay, what did you do today, and this and that. And then it was like just I practiced and everything. It was just normal 1 or 2 years. And then there was nothing changed in those years. And my father was like, okay, you can just come and you can do a job and you'll help me financially. It'll be really good for me. And then I said, I just give me a year. I'll figure something out. Just give me a year. And he said, okay. And in that year, I worked so hard. And then I made it to the senior team, and I did challengers and everything. And initially I thought, okay, this could work out. And I want to make a career out of this sport.
I mean, but at that time, like, if you can imagine, there are so many even girls, they don't get that support if they want to take up the sport. I was lucky when I was playing badminton, I got the support, and you got that 1 year where you could prove yourself कि भाई है मेरे में. What do you think that so many parents they feel कि लड़की क्या ही कर लेगी? What do you want to tell to those people?
अभी वो thinking change हो रही है. Initially, that is a good thing, but it's more about parents are more protective about their girls, especially the girls. हमारे कल्चर में ही वो चीज है कि पढ़ाई करो, जॉब करो, and get a good future for yourself. In sports, there's no guarantee. You never know that if you can get a lifetime injury. I mean, and you're done with the sport. Just one injury and it ends. So nothing is fixed. So that is one of the things that our parents are looking after us more than not supporting us. But they want a good future for us. It's just a stable future for us. That is the thing. But yes, it is changing now. That's a good thing.
You spoke about injuries. I think in 2019 or 2020, there was a phase in your life where you had an injury that could have changed, that could have not let you play more, if I'm not wrong. What time pe kya hua tha? What kind of an injury you had?
We just got ended with the season. And during the under 23 last games, I didn't feel good in my back. I was like, there's some stiffness. I don't feel that great. And I don't know. I just felt like that. You just know that something is wrong. And we went for an MRI, and initially we just came to know that I had a stress fracture, and then I have to be out for 6 months. So I got fit in September. I got my fit, and then in October we had T20 matches for seniors. I played. And it was one of the best tournaments that I had. And again, we went to one of the tournament, and I've been just fit for 2 months in the whole season. And I had a shoulder dislocation. So somehow I was like, no, I want to. In that rehab period, especially the 6 months and the 2 months when I had a shoulder injury, so almost 8 months, almost for 4 months I was in depression, I would say. That you start hating everything around you.
Right.
Because you see your teammates, your friends doing something or the other, and you're not allowed to do anything. So, I mean, those were the days that I learned more about myself and the character. And that is how it built initially. That, okay, I need to learn this about me. This is how I react when things are not going in, as supposed it is. And those were the things that I felt more calmer initially and I was just happy to go on the ground. I didn't have any pressure of performing or being the highest wicket taker I was just happy being on the ground. That was the feeling that, I missed a lot. I missed the ground. I missed bowling. I don't care what happens. Right. I just want to go out there and play the sport. That's it.
But since you said that period is actually very depressing, it's frustrating, and you're like, I just want to go on the ground. Like in my case, I wanted to go on the court. I just want to take my racket, and I'm quite sure with you also it would have been the same. I want to do the bowling, I want to do batting. I just want to do it. During that period, how did you keep yourself? Because वो अंदर से खुद को वो देना पड़ता है, वो वैलिडेट करना पड़ता है कि तेरे से होगा. Just stay calm. It's very important. How did you validate yourself during that phase?
I would say I was blessed enough to have good people around me. So the physio who was handling me, the trainers, the SNC, the coaches, they were quite patient. They knew what my character is, how I am as a person. So they shed all the routine was according to that, and initially they just handled me very well, I would say. So especially mentally, I mean, yes, I'm coming for rehab. I'm just doing the rehab for an hour and I'm leaving. But making it fun, it was in their hands, and they actually tried the best to, whatever I'm doing, I'm happy about it. And there's a reason why this thing happened, and it's okay. You'll see it in few years. And now when I look back, I don't find that time depressing or a bad time. I find that time that it was grooming me. That I became, I was just, it lifted me up. That was the thing.
And how, according to you, do physios and the coaches and all play an important role? Because their support though is very critical, very essential. How did their support also, keep you like, okay, I have the support from here also, so I know, okay, bhai, main theek hua, it will happen properly.
So that was the thing that it was more about how they were as a person. I didn't they didn't wanted me to look at them like as a coach or an SNC or a physio. Just, we are friends.
Wow.
So that, it's a very small thing. It's a very small shift of mindset. But I just felt, okay, I'm around my friends. I can talk to them about anything. Okay, you know what happened yesterday? Okay, you know what I ate yesterday? So it was just having, they were like, chal, we'll go out, we'll have coffee together, we'll go out for lunch. So that was the thing that, it helps a lot. I mean, they were kind to me.
Right.
So that really helped me a lot.
I think during that phase, it's very important to have that kind of support from them. Coming to now the other side, you have been the captain for the Mumbai team. Being a captain is like a different kind of responsibility to keep the team aligned. As a captain, how have you been in terms of team? How was your mindset when you were as a captain?
I've always been aggressive on the field. So that's my personality. I'm a very different person when it comes to off the field. But I like to be that person who dominates the sport. And if there's anything, so mine would be a little bit of attacking captaincy. That no matter what happens, that we'll just go for it. Just go for it. That's one of the things. Just put your effort, give your 100%. Even if the result is not in our hands, I don't care. Just the effort is more important. Have that mindset of taking the wickets. I don't care if you get 3 overs, 30 runs, you get hit for 30 runs in 3 overs, get those 2 wickets. I really don't care. So that was one of my mindset that helped me also as an individual in my career.
Right. Yeah. And if you had to say, which I asked you initially also, you're on the short-tempered side or on the calm side? Because you said aggressive, but aggressive can be in calm way also, it can be in a short-tempered way also.
It depends on the situation. If somebody is coming and telling me something on the field, of course I'll give them a look. I won't blink. And then I'll be like, okay, I still have the bat in my hand or the ball in my hand. So that's one of the things that encourages me more. And mostly I've done that, and that thing actually gets the best out of me. Having no pressure, having no, it's everything is chilled out. It's like it's not fun. But if there's some argument, if there's something we have rivalries, like we have India-Pakistan rivalries. We have that in state as well. So, or just one individual batter, if there's an amazing batter, you want to get that batter's wicket. So it's like a healthy competition.
But I think that's what I've heard from my father also. वो Mumbai team का वो we are known as the खड़ूस cricketers. उस पे क्या कहना है? That term that all the Mumbai cricketers पे लगा हुआ है, खड़ूस cricketers.
सब चीजें आसानी से नहीं मिलती ना मुंबई को. मुंबई में आप अगर हो तो आपको कोई भी चीज आसानी से नहीं मिलेगी. सो वो एक एटीट्यूड इनबिल्ट हो जाता है कभी कभी. तो अगर आप 4 घंटा 3 घंटा ट्रैवल करके आ रहे हो एक मैच खेलने के लिए, और अगर आपने उसमें भी अच्छा नहीं किया, तो आपको जर्नी, आपको 3 घंटा वापस भी तो घर जाना है ना, और फिर वापस से नेक्स्ट मैच तक ओवर थिंकिंग करनी है. तो इससे अच्छा है कि आप आके वही जो चीज है, जो इतना ट्रैवल कर रहे हो, इतना प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हो, वो जो है वो चीजें मैच में निकल जाती है. सो दैट इज वन ऑफ द खड़ूसपन जो हमारा इनबिल्ट रहता है, वो ही हेल्प करता है. बिकॉज बीट एनीथिंग, द खड़ूस एटीट्यूड हैज टेकन मुंबई क्रिकेट in a very different level.
That's why I think it makes the Mumbai cricketers unique from the other states. No offense, but वो है, हमारा tag है मुंबई का कि खड़ूस cricketers है. Coming to your debut now, you played a crucial part during your debut match, international debut, and you were one of the most key reasons why we won that time. How did that feel कि on your debut you're performing so well and in that Indian jersey? कैसा माहौल कैसा था?
हम एक्चुअली प्रैक्टिस से आ रहे थे. इट वाज, आई थिंक हम नाइट प्रैक्टिस ही कर रहे थे एक दिन पहले. सो इट वाज अराउंड 10ish, आई गेस. वी वर इन द बस, आई वाज चिलिंग फोन में. So suddenly Smriti just came and she walked back. She sits a little ahead. She came and she walked back, and just 2 minutes before I was just sitting with another friend. So she came and she asked me, where do you sit? And I said, there. And I started that conversation again. I didn't realize that it was Smriti who was asking me, where do you sit? And I continued the conversation, and then she's like, hello, come. And then I was like, oh shit, no, okay, come, I'm coming. And then I sat, and she sat next to me, and she told me that you're playing the first game. So come prepared. And then we spoke about the strategy and everything. And then she left. And I was just there in the bus, and I was like, okay, I'm finally going to make my debut. And coming from Smriti Mandhana, it's a big thing. And I was very much prepared. I got my debut cap from Jamie. And you get a lot of motivation from the people that are around you. So yes, it was a memorable debut, but it was a very nervous one as well. I honestly get nervous in all the games that I play, but making the debut was, and I was at the run up, and Smriti was on my left side, Harry was on my right side. So I said, you've dreamt of all this thing, right? So it doesn't make any sense to be nervous now. You've done this throughout your life. Exactly. You just have to go there and do the same thing. You're not going to change anything. They've selected you because of what you've done in the past. So I had more motivation on just, I have to look left and right. That's it. I don't have to look anywhere else. Right. So yeah, that was one of the things that, encouraged me. And it was a very calming debut. I would say it was very calm, and I loved every moment of it. And like post the match, when you found out कि भाई मैंने इतना, like I've given this much to, I put in all my efforts, and I am one of the reasons why we won this match against New Zealand. Post match, how was your feeling towards that? Post match, actually, mom मेरे आए थे, and then they came down, and that was the thing that that was a very different feeling, because मेरी mom ने कभी भी मेरे कोई भी live matches देखने नहीं आए थे state के. So international debut, they're coming, they're sitting in the stadium, I'm warming up, I'm looking up, and there's my mom, and I couldn't believe it that my mom is there, my sister is there, and my family is there, because I made my debut in Ahmedabad. So I've got a lot of relatives and who's been around, and they all came, and it was such a, it was a cozy moment for me. That, okay, they are there, and everything, I felt like nothing could go wrong today. I just knew that. So, and then they came down, and I met them, and my mom is like, oh, I'm so proud of you. And then you see that happiness that you've never experienced before, because they were never involved in this cricketing thing, because there was something or the other, and we travel a lot. And yeah, but the international game, I said, you have to come, you please come. And they're like, yeah, we are definitely going to come. So that was it. I think it's a very emotional moment. Coming to another inspiring moment would be the recent win that we had in the ICC World Cup. You were sharing a story like before we started the conversation,
Ki there was a story like you did not sleep the entire night or something.
No. We were playing zonal matches in Nagaland, and we had a match next day.
Acha.
And we were playing. I was just watching, and very sleepy because you know how tours work, and you get tired because you've always been physically practicing or playing games and etc. So I was like, no, I want to watch the game. I want to watch the game. I want to watch the game. And finally, when it happened, when ninth wicket was gone, I was just looking at the TV, like I didn't even blink. I was like, I was right there. Come on, let's get it. And when it happened, I was screaming in my room. I went to one of my teammates' room. I didn't care what the time was. I knocked, and you have no idea. You won't believe this, but everybody was awake. And everybody was watching the game. And we just celebrated, and like the first trophy finally. So it was an emotional moment.
Right. And when you watched the match, what was that something that caught your attention that you really enjoyed during the whole match? Ki ye hua, that trophy to wo to first ही है. Second day, was there any moment that you were like you truly enjoyed watching?
I've never seen Haridi running pura ground पे ऐसे. She just became a kid, and it was just so happy to see, look at your seniors and when they enjoy a game like that, and everything. I mean, you can see everybody was happy, and I honestly think that she deserved it. So that is where it came from.